Welcome back to Ansibles, and it looks like PBTS had a major breakout today, up about 68% on the day. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we need to break above to have that continuation and major breakout that we're looking for, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss out on them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over PBTS with you guys here on the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly which major resistances we're trying to break above to have that continuation. But I do want to mention before we get started that we did alert this one really early in the morning. This wasn't pre-market, and we did have a continuation breakout since then, as you guys can see here. And we also did mention ACY on multiple holds that we mentioned throughout the day. You guys can see here we also did mention them yesterday on multiple holds. We had a major breakout with ACY multiple days. So again, with that said, if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert today again. So you guys can see here on the 4-hour with PBTS, we came all the way up to this $2.09. We could not hold above this $2 mark because we do have here on the volume profile showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period, showing us that this $2.09 mark is very key for us. Again, around this $2 mark is very key. So we're trying to hold above this $2 mark. Again, as you guys can see, we are struggling, looking to see if we can have that continuation. And you guys can see on the 4-hour, we have the 20 moving average still below the 50. So in my opinion, you guys can see here on the VPVR, again, this is the volume profile. This shows us the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period. As you guys can see here, we have our next resistance again here showing us that we are sitting at 240 to break above. So in my opinion, to break over 240 with that volume, again, we do have a lot of volume that has been coming in, and to break above this volume point that we did have today would give us that confirmation on that momentum, in my opinion, breaking over 240. Again, we do have the 20 moving average still below the 50, showing us that we are more bearish than bullish on the larger time frames. But as you guys can see, if we do cross the 20 moving average above the 50 going to tomorrow, and again crossing that 240 mark with volume, then we could have a major breakout. As you guys can see here on the buy pressure, we have a lot of buy pressure that hasn't been coming in, but we did not break above that previous buy pressure point. And again, another alert that we could be setting here on the MACD to break above these buy pressure points to give us more confirmation on that momentum is here right above our previous buy pressure point. So that way we don't miss out on this one if it does break out. Again, like I said previously, if this stock does happen to go all the way down to $1, for example, and we do have a major breakout later on in this stock, we could set these alerts right above these buy pressure points. Again, this is very key for us, as you guys can see. So if it does break above it, then we could be alerted at any point in time that this stock ever has a breakout. And that's why I like to setting these MACD alerts. Again, it gets you notifications for almost every single stock at any point in time they do break out. And again, that's very helpful in my opinion, especially when there's a lot of news that's coming out in the morning. And again, in the Ansibles room, we mentioned news all throughout the morning. So again, this is very helpful in my opinion to set these MACD volume alerts. And this is not financial advice. This is only what I'll be doing. But again, to recap on this, we want to break over 240 with that volume to break above our previous volume point. And again, breaking above our MACD point here to have that buy pressure that we're looking for on that momentum, to have confidence in momentum going into tomorrow, to have that breakout that we're looking for. But again, PBTS still definitely only on the watch. Make sure the play does come to you as we are curling down going to extended hours. We could have a continuation sell-off as we have been on quite the run today, up about 68%. So again, we're going to make sure we are only having this on watch going to pre-market to have a possible continuation, and hold above $2 going to pre-market would be very key for us to have a possible continuation, in my opinion, to give us more momentum, of course. But again, PBTS only on the watch, like I said, to have these confirmations. But again, if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, much love to you guys. I love you guys very much. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.